Today we got a video from Strange Body Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Kicks Stranger in Front of Police, Gets Humbled Fast."
I need you to get away from me right now.
Delete the picture right now of her. I just watched you do it.
You didn't watch me do anything.
We all just watched you do it.
Get a picture of some girl having a bad night? Yeah, get a fucking grip, bro. How do you grow the fuck up? Dude, I need to...
While working a late-night crowd control detail near a local bar, an officer observed an intoxicated woman in severe distress and stepped in to perform a welfare check. The scene escalated when a bystander was seen photographing the sick woman. When confronted, the suspect denied the act, kicked a male patron, and attempted to flee as officers moved to take her into custody.
Okay, she clearly doesn't want you here.
I don't know her.
Okay, she doesn't want you here. This is her friend.
I don't know that girl.
Okay, so then just walk away. Simple as that. You're making it more difficult. I'm just asking you to step over there.
Man, if you want to be some help, you should tell them like they're not supposed to have her on her back.
Not on her dick. I told her to lift her up. She's doing that. She got wet, cold rags around her neck. She doesn't want the water. We're putting her mouth on her.
Hey, delete that. Hey, Bonnie, that's messed up. That's messed up. That's messed up.
Up in the head. No. I promise y'all.
What are you talking about? Listen.
Wait, hold on. Did I miss? Hold on now. Hold up. Hold on now. I wasn't even paying attention to her. Hold on.
Man, if you want to be some help, you should tell them like they're not supposed to have her on her back.
Not on her dick. I told her to lift her up. She's doing that.
Oh, yeah.
Cold rags around her neck. She doesn't want the water. We're putting her mouth on her.
Hey, delete that. Hey, Bonnie, that's messed up. That's messed up. That's messed up. Up in the head.
No. I promise y'all.
What are you talking about? Listen.
I'm not arguing with you. I'm not going there.
Stop. Listen, you're on body camera of just you taking a picture. I just watched you do it, okay? Delete the picture.
I need you to get out.
Delete the picture.
I need you to get away from me right now.
Delete the picture right now of her.
I
just watched you do it.
You didn't watch me do anything.
We all just watched you do it.
You didn't watch me do anything.
We all just watched you do it.
You didn't watch me do anything.
We all just watched you take a picture.
You didn't.
Have a little respect for someone who's throwing up, okay?
I don't.
Okay, no. Listen, I don't think you would want someone. Okay. Hey, girl. Yeah, everyone around you just saw you do it. Your friend's not even backing you up right now.
I actually don't know what you're talking about. Okay. So you need to go. You should actually go back to figure that out.
You are being very delusional, okay? Have a great night. I hope someone takes a picture of you while you're throwing up, too. Have a little respect.
I actually
have a little respect. Have a little respect.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Have a little respect.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
You have no respect.
You should focus on that situation.
I think you should stop taking pictures.
You should get a...
What?
Yeah.
You fucking moral. Take a fucking rap.
Yeah, literally everyone's yelling at you.
I think this state stinks like fucking...
Okay, then just leave then.
Very much.
Your friend's not even backing you up. Think about that one.
Get a picture of some girl having a bad night? Yeah, get a fucking grip, bro. How do you grow the fuck up? Take a fucking rap. Have a good night. Thank you. I appreciate that. That's absolutely ridiculous.
Grow the fuck up.
Dude, I need to stop.
Get out of here! No!
Get off! Get off!
No!
Stop resisting now! Stop resisting!
Get her dumb ass together.
Stop! You want to kick him? No problem.
I'm resisting!
Stop resisting!
Stop pulling away. Just put your hand behind your back.
You're literally on body camera just kicking him.
I can't breathe!
Oh, I bet.
Please, my ass is out, guys, please! Please!
Cover.
Guys,
Sit up and we'll cover you. Sit up.
Sit up, Seven County. We're gonna have 141 Johnny Meds.
guys, please!
Stop crying.
Body cam, her kicking someone, doesn't even know him.
No!
I'm just gonna walk her over. Can you walk her over?
Someone please listen to me. We're like...
Girl code. Girl code. Girl code. And guess what? This piece of crap is going to kick the dude. And guess what? Instead of the friend knowing that her friend is in the wrong, she going to try and jump on the cop. Run it back. I'm going to run it back real quick. And you're going to see when he tries to go at her, you're going to see her trying to intervene herself. Girls got to stick together. Got to stick together instead of holding each other accountable. Unfreaking believable. Watch this. Watch this.
No, stop resisting now! Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Huh? Stop! Get off! Absolutely.
When he says get off, watch. Oh, now the friend come. Look to the right corner. You, it's really quick. Look at the side that's closest to me. Look at the corner. She's on the cop, and the other cop got to grab her off of him. Look. Girl code. Girl code. Girl code. Stick together instead of holding her accountable.
No.
I'm just going to walk her over. Can you walk her over?
Someone please listen to me.
Cry me a river.
Please, don't leave me.
Wait, what happened with this? So, that one just kicked somebody. No, real quick, did anyone call first aid for her? She's been like this. Her mom. Were you the one that got kicked? Yeah. I'm just going to walk her over now. Can you walk her over so I can get my car?
Someone please listen to me.
Yeah, go.
So, I'm a sales manager, so you can do a no protest.
How do you spell your name, man?
Whatever the squad wants. If the squad wants.
I know, you're just
I was just a bystander. I swear, I didn't say a thing.
Do this.
Stand right here.
No, I need to call someone.
Okay, relax.
No,
Relax. Take a breath.
I need to call someone. This is like I have never experienced.
I'll let you make a phone call. Relax.
I've never experienced this
relax.
in my life.
Relax. Come on.
I need to speak to someone. I've never felt this way in my entire life. This is actually, please. This is like crazy. I'm not sitting on that bench. You guys are not understanding me. I'm not doing this. No, please, I can't go in there. I can't go in there. I can't
stop
go in there.
resisting.
You're not resisting. I can't go in there.
Relax.
I can't do this. You're not understanding.
Just sit right there.
You're not understanding me.
Just take a seat.
Please let me go.
Ma'am. Take a breath. You're fine.
I know I'm not. I don't feel okay. I feel.
Do you want EMS?
No. I got pummeled by a police officer. And I
Really?
didn't do anything wrong with these people.
Have a seat.
You got pummeled by a police officer.
You know where my friend is?
You freaking donkey kicked the guy. You kidding me?
I did. She's right there. I just wanted to make sure she was okay. Nobody resisted anything.
Yeah, you guys got arrested together. She's right there.
This is the nuttiest I have ever experienced.
You're still being recorded.
I know. Trust me, I know. I know I'm being.
So relax. The judge is going to see all of this.
I know. Thank you. Please uncuff me. I am a fucking. This is. Wait till you hear. Wait till you hear from my fucking attorney. All of you.
We have attorneys too.
Okay, good. This is. I am. I can't fucking wait.
I wanted to secure it. Right.
I can't wait, man. This is nuts. Is this not the nuttiest shit you've ever experienced? I probably shouldn't have kicked that guy, but they probably shouldn't have egged me on for 20 minutes. Egging me on, screaming in my face.
Okay.
Like, I don't live in Jersey. I'm not, that's... Can I have my cell phone, please? Yeah, Jersey.
I think I should be able to disconnect it here.
No, you're not touching my $2,000 purse with your fucking hands. So back up.
All right, so then I got to take it off you.
Okay, I will do that. You're not talking about undoing stuff. I don't want you to. I wish that somebody would have told them you've never been arrested before. You don't understand. I've never been put in handcuffs, and you're fucking cop. No, this is insane. Just shut up. You don't know what to do. Get me the fuck out of here.
You got to relax.
No, get the fuck away from me.
You got to relax.
Okay, then let me.
We're going to charge you for that door if you don't calm down.
I want you. This is hurting me. I have no priors. I have never done a single thing wrong in my life. I soft kicked a fucking white dude, and you guys have me linked up. This is insane.
Following the incident, Adriana was booked for disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Her friend Louise, who was also on the scene, faced a charge of obstruction.
That's it? Wow. Disorderly she donkey kicked the guy and only got disorderly conduct? The guy must have not wanted to press charges. Gotta stick together. Don't hold anyone accountable. I don't know, man. I really don't get it. I do not get it whatsoever. Because your friend donkey kicked the guy, you think it's your duty to interfere. Instead of just telling your friend you're wrong. Yo, chill out. You're wrong. Well, good. You guys got locked up together. Good. You guys belong together. You guys deserve each other. Fucking unbelievable. Anyways, yeah. I'm gonna get a cop 5 out of 5. Now, to begin with, is it messed up for the woman to take photos of the girl that's throwing up? Morally, I would say it's wrong. You know what I mean? It's not cool. But is it illegal? No. There's no expectation of privacy in public. But who would want to do that? You know? So it's just. But what is wrong, 100% of the way, is you donkey kicking the guy. That's wrong. You can't do that. And she probably hit guys before, because that's not her first time. You could tell it just came so natural to her. That's not her first time doing that. She's probably done that before, or within her relationships, or whatever the case may be. But she's so entitled and nobody does anything back, or whatever the case may be. Never been in any trouble. My $2,000 purse. Give me a break. You need a freaking reality check. I wish she went in there and they had a holding cell of about 30 people from that night, and you got big Shirley's in there and all types of stuff. Oh, your $2,000 purse? Oh, okay. Get you together in here, man. CEO or the officer might say, I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be back in 10 minutes. But nah. All right. Anyway, that's enough, man. But she needs a freaking reality check. 5 out of 5 from the officers. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.